it's Miss Ndegwa here. We are back again. This is now a 2-bedroom apartment. We are heading to the first bedroom. Looks like a master bedroom. The windows are okay. The walls, these are wardrobes. They are okay. They are spacious. They are cool. The floor is fine for the kids. Spacious, the room. See, the windows are awesome. There is light. You don't need to wash your steamer during the day. Then you go to the second bedroom here for the kids. Still spacious. They have a wardrobe. Very spacious. They're so okay. The windows, the lighting is perfect. Here, it's a 2-bedroom located along Ngong Road. Opposite Ngong Resco. See the toilet, separate. The bathroom, separate. You have a place you can wash your mouth, you can clean. Then here we have the kitchen with cabinets. Here we have a balcony where you can wash your laundry. There's a tap there, place to anika your clothes, place you can put your fridge. Then we have a sitting room. Wow, see, that's big, huh? You can put a 5-seater. Then the stairs. Thank you for watching.